What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jspikes. I'm back with another video. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey, man, welcome back to the channel. All my OG subscribers, y'all know what it is. It's your boy Jspikes. All my new subscribers that's tuning in, man, welcome to the channel, man. What we do over here, baby, is a whole bunch of customization, keeping these wheels turning, baby. Old school, new school, whatever school. We get it in. Front yard boogie, backyard boogie, whatever you want to call it. But, man, we keep these wheels turning and we get it done. Hey, so if y'all want to see this content, man, you want to learn some stuff, man, you want to see how it really go down, some organic content, some good, clean content, some real content, no gimmicks, no skits, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything your boy got coming to you anytime your boy drop a video on YouTube. And, man, if you like any of the content, make sure you hit that like button, man, for your boy, man. If you got any questions, comments, or opinion, any of that, man, leave it in the comment box below, because I talk back, baby. Hey, listen. I done took up enough of y'all time. It's a lot going on in this one video, but I feel like I need to really let my supporters know what be going on more than what I be posting, because I'm finna get a lot more consistent with the content. But I just want to let y'all know this is what's really going on and what y'all can expect to see on the channel, so that, you know, you can tune in more or you can tell your friend about it. But it's a lot going on behind me. I know you see it's a lot going on behind me. So I'm gonna quit talking. I'm gonna show y'all what's really going on, so y'all can expect what to see on the channel. Stay tuned, baby. Yes, sir. Watch this heat. All right, check this out. This is how we're gonna start. We're gonna start with my crap first. Y'all know we got the box. Everybody been loving the box. Everybody been loving how we've been doing with the box. We got that stupid music in there. We got that big panorama in there. You know, we about to finish that. We did a lot of customization to this car, man, and it's a lot coming to this car. You know, it's a lot coming with this car. You know, so it stay on the charger. We ain't gonna talk about that too long today. I'm gonna pass by that. Y'all been already tuned in to that. I want all my truck lovers to know, all my OGs that tuned in before I got the Box Chevy, we still got the OBS. We still got the OBS. It's sitting here. That pearl heating. That pearl heating. Yeah, sir. It's still here, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me open it up for y'all boys. For the ones that ain't seen the OBS, this the LS Swap OBS I got. You know what I'm saying? Big panoramic, I mean not panoramic, big roof, 40-inch roof. I took the door panels off because I got what are those speakers? Man, I forgot what infinity capers. I got the infinity capers component 6.5, 6x9, 6.5, and super tweeters going in the doors. I supposed to be molding them, so I took the door panels off. We are LS swapped. I'll pop the hood real quick and just show some of the new viewers, man, a little bit about the truck. Y'all can leave a comment down below if y'all want to see. Ooh, let me back up. Y'all see how dirty this truck is? Look. Y'all see how dirty this truck is? But look at that pearl. Look at that pearl. Look at that pearl. It's early in the morning. Look at that pearl. Yes, sir. But yeah, all my new subscribers, man, if y'all want to see some more content on this truck, man, I'm gonna start doing some more to this truck, man. I want to put some wheels on it, but it's a Cam F53 stage 3 Texas speed truck. Truck cam. We got the Billy AC bracket on there. A lot of goodies in this truck. Highly fuel rails. You know what I'm saying? Long tube headers. Melon high volume oil pump. You know, a bunch of goodies in there, man. Bunch of goodies in there. PSI, wine harness. Yes, sir. She hitting too. We got that big Tierra grill on that thing. Triple mesh weave with the illuminated logo. You know, yeah, she's still here, y'all. She's still here. But that's enough to talk about my stuff. Y'all seen this on the channel. Let's see what we're gonna start to next. All right, y'all see what's going on. We got a 93 Buick Roadmaster. It's coming in for a paint job. Everything I did everything to this car. It's been on the channel before, so you can go look at the old videos of it. I'm building the console. It's a full DS18 build. He just bought these. He want me to take these out. He changed his mind. He bought these illuminated DS18 super tweeters, RGBs. They change colors and whatnot. Yeah, I'll be finishing this up, wrapping it in the ostrich, white ostrich, LED cup holders. Yes, sir. A little something I'm throwing together. If y'all like to see more about this type of stuff, like I said, leave a comment down below. I built him Benz blinkers, wood wheel. Got a lot coming with this car, man. Full DS18 build in the back, 215s in the trunk. We're taking all that out, rebuilding it. Just a quick little glance of what I got going on, y'all. Just a little something. This is a little everyday build. I mean, everyday little fix. AC, the passenger window not working. It's leaving today, hopefully. This one here is another AC job. AC and hook up the fans. Fans not blowing, so it's running hot while it's sitting here idling. So I got to do that and charge up the AC. It's leaving out. I put a water pump on it yesterday, so it's leaving. Black box getting painted, repainted from another shop. They charged them way too much and did so horrible work. Had to fix a couple dents, had to fix a couple cracks in the roof, and waiting on a new hood for it. She's going in the booth pretty soon. We got this 73 that came in for paint job, frame coating, and he want me to get him some new seats and do a little bit of interior work on it and motor work. But yeah, that's be down the line. That's that Box Chevy that I painted about 2 years ago on the channel, way back in the day. It's coming in for a full rewire, a box build, a back deck, console. I got the console sitting over there, and yeah, man, it's going down. And a big 3. I got to put big 3 on it too. But yeah, I painted this car like 2 years ago, y'all, and it still look pretty damn decent. Painted it real quick, real fast. Could have been better, but she's getting resprayed too. So I got this OBS short wheelbase that's been here, and I did bed line on it. Shit, I like to fail. Change the seats. That's the bed line I did in it. It's a little dirty, but it's gonna get washed up before it leaves. But it's primer down, guide coated down, ready to go. So stay tuned for that. That should be hitting the channel pretty soon. It's going cobalt blue. I mean, royal blue. It's going royal blue. So yeah, stay tuned for this, guys. It's gonna be nasty. Yes, sir. What else we got? Yeah, man, it's going down around here. I ain't playing. I've been busy, man. That's why I haven't been able to drop content as fast as I want to, because man, it's kind of like hard to just stay focused on one thing when you got so many different things to do. These are the parts for the OBS in the shed, you know. It's going down. It is going down. Yes, sir. This one here, it's getting a rewire. Like I said, new box, new back deck, a new console, and big 3. And Roadmaster getting a lot of stuff. It's getting sprayed, 3-stage pearl, console, back deck wrap, new box, new speakers, new bass amp, new highs amp, changing out the tweeters in the doors. I've been working on it, y'all. Sound deadening in the trunk. I gotta fix this big dent. I've been working on it. Yes, sir. So yeah, it's really looking busy around here, y'all. I just want y'all to know that. So anything y'all really interested in seeing more content on any one of these cars that's gonna be here for a while, just let me know. Leave it in the comment box below, man. And I promise you, I'll break this camera out, I'll break this phone out, I'll do whatever I gotta do to get the content that y'all need. But just let me know. You know what I'm saying? Everything pressure. It will be. Trying to help these boys out. Trying to put people in the game. Yes, sir. Like I said, Anything y'all want to see some more content on, y'all make sure y'all let your boy know, man. I ain't lying. Whatever y'all want to see more of, we can do that. All these is repeat cars that I done messed with, hey, pretty much, and we can get some content out of them, baby. I just don't know really what to do. I don't know if y'all want to see just my stuff, the truck and the Box Chevy, and a little bit here and a little bit there. Y'all want to see everything? Show us everything, bro. Vlog every day. Drop a video every day. Whatever, man. Tell me how you feel, man. You know what I'm saying? This is entertainment. Everybody needs some entertainment, because when I watch the YouTubers that I watch, because I ain't one of them boys that do YouTube and say I don't watch YouTubers, bro. I watch all the YouTubers, and I be wanting to see some stuff. I be wanting to see what people. I'm interested in what other people be doing with their projects and how broad and big their imagination is. It's interesting, man. So, like I said, man, it's your boy Jspikes. I'm finna get on up out of here. Quit holding up y'all time. Make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. Leave a comment down below, man. If whatever you want to see, let me know. I'm gonna get on up out of here. Watch this heat, baby. Yes, sir. Peace.